Well, good morning. It's transition day. Makeup. This may be the last makeup I put on for a while because I'm not going to be putting on any makeup to go to the pool with them boys. So, transition day. We're in beautiful Orange Beach this morning, and we are transitioning to Panama City. It's about a 2.5 hour drive. We probably will do some stops along the way because we don't check in till like 4. And but we're excited. Our family's leaving home and meeting us down there, so we've already prayed divine protection over them and their travels and our travels. And let me just show you what a gorgeous day it is outside there. Nice and hot and pretty. Nice, so pretty. Look at the colors in that ocean. Y'all, God created that ocean. People say there's no God. How did that just happen? He tells it how far to come up and when to stop. Love it. And I think by now you have already seen our video from last night and my dancing. I had a ball, but my hair was soaking wet with sweat. And you know, I told you this all the time, that I sweat and get a little hotter because of the dysautonomia. But I told Bill, the guy who was teaching me how to dance, I said, this is incredible. I said, I am sweating like crazy. He says that when he and that little miniature woman, which she's not the tiniest thing, he says that when they dance sometimes all night, he can lose 10 pounds. I forgot and put on my pants with a hole in them.
Yeah.
Oh no, look what I put on. My pants with a little hole in them.
Oh no, a short attack.
What did you say when I first said I got a hole in them? What'd you say?
I said you a holy girl, it don't matter.
He said, you a holy girl, it don't matter.
Oh, we got a
What?
pirate ship out here.
Oh, it'll be blowing them dadgum.
See it?
Yeah, we do. It'll be blowing them dadgum horns that always scare me to death. Or not horns, but cannons.
It doesn't appear to have a cannon.
Does it not? The one in Panama City has a cannon, and it scares me every time. I've already got a video from somebody with a pacifier in his mouth this morning saying he's ready to go to the beach. The beach. So, I can't believe I put on my leggings with a hole.
You'll be alright. You'll be strong. Ready?
You ready to get out of here?
I'm ready to go.
Okay.
Check out some level.
All right. There's been other people to pull over. Oh, let's get out and see it. Oh gosh, you can hear them, guys. Let's see how close I can get in. That is a huge nest, but you can hear them. Oh man, that's awesome. I guarantee that's eagles. Oh, you can hear them good there. There's 2 of them I can see. Oh my gosh. Look at that. They're big. There's 3. Now, are those eagles or what?
Oh, that one's got a white chest.
I don't think they're eagles. I think I'm zoomed as far as.
they're called osprey or something.
Well, that's a huge nest, and they've got a platform up there. Yeah, that's not an eagle. Its head doesn't. It's pretty awesome, though. Look at that nest. Take that sign down. We've just gone through downtown Pensacola, and it's such a beautiful town. I don't know if I've ever been to Pensacola, but we're fixing to go across one major bridge. It's carrying you all the way across the, is it the, it's just carrying you across the water is all I can say. Look at those houses out there on the water. Look at there. That's some high dollar. High dollar. But Pensacola is beautiful, guys. I don't know if y'all have ever been here. Oh, that's called the Muskogee Wharf.
Is it Muskogee or Musgrove?
Muskogee.
Okay.
Oh, it looks like there's construction going on the bridge too. We got some beautiful houses that we've passed. Some old houses that's probably been facing that water for years, and then some new builds. Across the big bridge, guys. And they're building a new one beside us. Gonna be on this bridge for quite a while. There's a big wharf, not a wharf. Look at this. Buddy, where are you going walking this bridge?
He's going to this side.
He's got to walk. Oh, they're building a new bridge on both sides, babe.
Yeah. People are back down there fishing.
Yep.
I wonder why they just stopped right there.
Because the road ends. Look at that.
Why they do that?
Oh, I don't know. Is it part of the building
I
of
mean,
it?
it's just like they stopped.
Now, what is that big boat?
Those are
Barges?
barges, and usually they put in pylons and for bridge supports and stuff.
I got you. But you can see the new bridge. They're building all along here beside us. Wonder how long it takes to build something like that.
Until it's finished.
Babe, come on.
Not bad.
Seriously. Now what is that thing? Is that something that's going to go up on top of the bridge? That white part? You think? Oh, I bet it is.
Yeah, some kind of truss. Some sort.
Yeah. Yeah, I bet it is. They're going to lift it up, put it up there. Oh, that's some major construction there, isn't it? Major work. And the bridge goes on. Oh, it's not as far as I thought. It looks further on the GPS, but it's still a long bridge, isn't it? Yeah, they're building a bigger, better one right here beside us. So that other one back there was not part of it, I don't think.
No, it wasn't. That's what I'm saying. It's just like they started on the wrong side and stopped.
Oops.
Well, and
Oops.
I mean, they let pedestrians on it. They you know, so it's definitely.
Well,
not
maybe
in-
it's a fishing. I can't imagine I'm doing that just for fishing.
No, we ain't done that for fishing.
Okay, if you live in Pensacola, tell us what's the deal with the bridge. We're going toward Panama City. If you live here, tell us what that part on the left is. We see the new bridge here on the right.
Where the people stop and fish.
Yeah, where the people stop and fish. If you live in or around Pensacola, tell us what that's all about.
Good.
Take some of it out.
That's a big old bag.
Look at here, just keep on shoveling it.
What you eating? Bread.
Where are we at? Where are we?
Papa.
Gin Papa. Gin Papa. Be careful, don't get too much. It's hard to pull, isn't it? You need something to drink, don't you? Ooh, what you got? Mac and cheese? What you got, Rhett man? Are you excited about the condo? What's Reaid getting? Oh, look at Reaid. He's checking out that potato.
Yeah,
2 bags of potatoes. I got a 25-pound bag and a 50-pound bag.
I'm scared. And you know, if somebody else was awake, he'd be going,
He is awake. I
Papa.
saw him moving.
Oh, did you? Go get him, Papa. Go get him, Papa.
don't wake him up abruptly.
Lord. No riding shoulder.
Not when you weigh that much. You're too big now. You're too big.
Not on the head, boy.
Your hood.
On the shoulder.
Stand up right there. Not on your iPad. Turn around.
American tourists missing in Barbados. Oh my God.
Have mercy. Barely couldn't get you up there. Let's go see.
What you saying? What you saying?
Sagging dapper.
Yeah, Mom. Hey, darling.
Uh-oh.
Oh, is it wet?
Go get down.
Mama got to change your diaper.
Where's your head?
Oh my goodness, that's a big
It's like my 600-pound line.
It's on one side of his leg. What is it, darling? Mama need to fix you.
Oh, let Mama rest a minute. See the baby boy when we get
I like being a bad
Ocean. You ready to get in the ocean?
No. Mama, wait, I'll wear a life jacket for me.
Huh?
Just we're going to get in the pool.
Well, I know. But he's 8. He's 8, Michael. He's only 8, Michael. He's only been in this world 8 years.
He's only 96 months old.
That's my boys right there.
Who's 96 months old? You are.
That's pretty amazing. Pretty crowded here today. This is my little different man right here. He marches to the beat of his own drum. He doesn't care that all the rest of his family is in the ocean. He's doing what Rhett wants to do. He is certainly different. Most kids would have been like, don't leave me, I want to go out there with y'all. Not my Rhett man. That's okay though. That's okay.
No passing craze. It means no worries for the rest of your days.
Days.
I have the hiccup.
Oh, you do have the hiccups. That's right. Somebody's enjoying the turtle over there.
I need water on the
I think I had some in mine. Is Rhett coming to sing? Sing Lion King for me. Bye. It was nice meeting y'all. Okay. I'll be seeing you through the lenses. Bye. All right. Ready? Back up, Reaid. Bye, Rhett. One time. Y'all were singing it over there. Sing it. Sing it together. Put your arm around him, Reaid. Put your arm around his shoulder. Sing it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go. Further act it out. No, put some action in it.
Really? Come on. Repeat after me. Hakuna Matata. Hakuna Matata. Hakuna Matata. It means no worries. Hakuna Matata. What a wonderful phrase. Hakuna Matata. Ain't no passing grade. It means no worries for the rest of your days. It's our problem-free philosophy. Hakuna Matata.
Aku Matata.
Hakuna Matata. It means no worries for the rest of your days.
It's exactly what Riggs has got right now.
Yeah.
No worries.
Riggs is Hakuna Matata. I always have Hakuna Matata. You do, for the most part. I always have it.
And Rhett's a rear end.
Are you being a rear end?
Yes, he's being a rear end.
Buddy,
He's being a rear end. Rear. Look, I've got you on YouTube as a rear end. No, I brought those. You can't. You won't do nothing for me. I'm not doing nothing for you. Boom. Boom. Darling. I know, right in his face. You okay? Came down on his belly, didn't he?
Here come.
Yeah. You like that bucket? Well, it is the end to a great day here in Panama City. The dusk is setting in. People are still out in the water, but we don't get out in the water this time of night. We've always been told dusky dark is a time that sharks come in closer, so we don't want to be shark bait. We're on the 5th floor, and one thing neat, there's not a whole lot of things neat about this condo. It's dated. There's some things about it we don't like, but it's okay. But is that we are on a corner balcony. Is this not neat to be on the corner of the building? And you can see, just stand here and look down the street. This is a great time. It's appearing lighter in this viewer than it is actually here, but you can see the flashlights lighting up down. People are already starting crabbing. The splash pad, the huge splash pad, didn't work for the biggest part of the day. Oh, we got lightning in the distance. Let me stand here and talk and see if I can catch that again. The main reason we came is because of the huge splash pad here, and it didn't work for the biggest part of the day, but it started working. You've already seen video of that. Also, the grill that serves up burgers and hot dogs and that kind of stuff that's so good around the pool area so that you don't have to go out for lunch. It's not open. So there have been some things we've not been happy with. The condo is very nice and large, but it's not updated, and the carpet is spotted a lot, which has really bothered me, but we're making the best of it. I wished I could catch that lightning out there. Oh, there goes a little bit of it. You can see real good now, people digging for crabs. The Ashley, Michael, them have just gone down to meet some friends, and Rhett is dying to dig for crabs. Michael went and bought him a new flashlight. He is dying.